Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about find and replace. I was thinking about it because I just did a search and then I came across the find and replace. So I've got these 30 squares, and the center ones, all these are half a point, and all the ones on the outside are just a hairline. I want to select, and you wouldn't do this because you could just select it like that, but if these were all over the page and where you couldn't select them all, go up to Edit, Find and Replace, Replace Object, Replace Pin Outline, hit Next. Tell it your outline width, but we need to change this to points, and we want to change all the ones that are 0.5, and we want to replace it with ones that are 15 points. You've got to change this to points, and I'm sure that's a way to do it in default. And I'm going to make it 20, 22, 20, and then hit Finish. So it's going to find all the rectangles that are half a point and change them with 20 points. So we're going to go Finish, Replace All. And look at that quick, you replaced all the half a points with 20 points. Now you wouldn't do that in this scenario, but if you have these rectangles thrown around in different configurations where you couldn't select them all and you had hundreds of them, Corel will help you find them that fast with Find and Replace. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.